This is the puffy-headed capuchin monkey, and there is another one going towards the sun. It has got a dummy and it's playing with the dummy. This is the monkey playing with the dummy, and then there is another monkey here.